So today we are going to continue. Okay, for this quantity represented by the area, okay, by the area under a graph. Okay. So stating the quantity represented by the area under a graph. Okay, so the quantity represented by the area under a graph is the product, okay, of the quantity represented by the vertical axis and the quantity represented by the horizontal axis. So my area under a graph will be vertical axis multiplied by horizontal axis. Like this. Speed is ms -1, time is second. So my area is speed times time. Then I will have m over s times s. Okay, throw away the s. So my area become only left with meter. So it's my distance. Next, okay, is acceleration and time. You see, area is acceleration times time. So I'm having m over s squared times s. So I throw away the s, so I'm left with m over s. So m over s is actually speed. Okay, see, area is rate of electricity used, Rm per unit times number of unit. So Rm per unit times unit. So I'm left with Rm. So my area is electricity bill payable, Rm. So now we need to calculate the area under a graph. So let's see the area under the graph in the diagram. Okay, this area I can make A, B, and C. So the first A is actually a rectangle, B is a trapezium, C is a what? Triangle. Okay, let's see. My area under a graph is area A plus area B plus area C. So area A will be 12 times 14. Yes. Okay, 12 times 14. 12 times 14. Okay, area B, okay, it's actually, you flip it here, you can see this plus this. So it's actually 14 plus 18 divided by 2, and then times this height, 18 minus 12. Okay, how about triangle? Triangle is base times height times half. So our base is 30 minus 18. Height is 18. So at last I'm getting 168 plus 96 plus 108. Then I have 372 unit square. Okay, remember you need to put square if there's no unit. So now we need to determine the distance from a speed time graph. Okay, in here you'll be learning speed time graph. Okay, so calculate the distance traveled on the above speed time graph. Let's see. Okay, this speed time graph, I make it A, B, C, D. Okay, so my distance traveled is actually area A plus area B plus area C plus area D. So I'm doing it all. Okay, this one is a triangle, rectangle, trapezium, triangle. Then I'm having 20 plus 30 plus 26 plus 16. I have 92 meter. Okay, so we need to know how to solve problem involving gradient and area under a graph. So first thing first, you need to know AB is not moving because you see the speed. Okay, the speed is here only, not moving. Sorry. It's at uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed. Then after that, BC, the speed is increasing, so it's a positive gradient. Okay, speed is increasing. After that, CD is decreasing, so you have negative gradient. Okay, so the graph shows the speed time graph of a particle for a period of 25 seconds. So in 25 seconds, it went up to middle, a uniform speed, and it went down. Okay, so calculate the length of time. Okay, in S, during which the particle is traveling at a uniform speed. Uniform speed is from here to here. So 15 minus 8 equals to 7 seconds. Okay, next, calculate the rate of change of speed. Okay, if you see rate of change, you are looking for gradient. Okay, looking for gradient. Okay, you are looking for gradient. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds is this one. So we have learned in 6.1, gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2, okay, minus x1. Okay, so y2 is 25. Okay, y1, no, y2 is 0. Sorry, 0. This one is y2. Okay, why this one is y2? Why normally y2 is higher? No, because you see this is decreasing, so it's a negative gradient. Okay, this one is y1. Okay, so y2 is final one, so final initial. Okay, so this one is x2, this one is x1. So I'm having this gradient is equals to 0 minus 30, okay, meter per second, okay, over 25 minus 15 second. So I'm having negative 30 meter per second over 10 seconds. So my acceleration is negative 3 meter per square second. Remember, if the question asks for rate of change of speed, the answer is negative 3, okay? You need to put negative sign because this is decelerate. But what if the question asks the rate of decrease of speed? Okay, so your answer should be 3 only, no negative sign, okay? Next, calculate the value of u if the total distance for first 15 seconds. Total distance for first 15 seconds. Okay, so first 15 seconds is only P and Q. So you need to find total distance. In speed time graph, total distance is in area. So area P plus area Q is 386. So area P, okay, is 1 over 2, U plus 30. Okay, trapezium method. Trapezium, U plus 30. And then this one is, the height is 8. Okay, and then Q is a rectangle. Okay, then you have 4U plus 120 plus 210 equals to 386. Then I have 4U equals to 56, U equals to 14. 14, okay? So next, we see another example. The graph shows the speed time graph of a particle for a period of 20 seconds. Okay. Then this is my speed time graph for 20 seconds. So if the average speed of a particle in the first 8 seconds is 26 meters per second, find the value of u. Okay, for the first 8 seconds, average speed is 26. So find the value of u. So we are only going to use, okay, this one. This is why this is a what? Okay, average speed is actually total distance. Speed is actually, wait. Speed is actually distance over time. So our distance is 1 over 2, u plus 22 times 8 over our total time is 8. So why we use this? So this whole part is my distance. Okay, and then my time is 8 seconds equals to 26. So I bring 8 times 26 become 208, and then 4u plus 88. 4u equals to 120, so u equals to 30. Okay? Next, calculate the distance traveled during which the particle is traveling at a uniform speed. So distance traveled, okay, uniform speed. So just distance is 22 times 20 minus 8. So you have 264 meters. Okay, next. The diagram shows a speed time graph of a particle for a period of 12 seconds. The rate of change of speed of the particle in the first 4 seconds is negative 3 meters per square second. Okay, so find the value of u. So first 4 seconds is negative 3. Okay, so the gradient is negative 3. So you just use y2 minus y1. So u minus 30. x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 0. So rate of change is negative 3. So it's u minus 30 over 4 over 0 equals to negative 3. So u minus 30 is negative 12. So u is actually negative 12 plus 30. So u is 18. Okay. Now that you know u is 18, the distance traveled during which a particle is traveling at a uniform speed. Uniform speed is over here. And you want to look for distance. Distance, you find area. Okay, so 18 equals 18 multiplied by 6 minus 4, you get 36 meters. Okay, average speed of the particle during the period of 12 seconds. So average speed, remember, speed is equals to distance over time. Okay, distance over time. So my average speed, so distance is all the area. Time is 12 seconds. Okay, all the area from this one, A, B, and C. Okay, then I have 96 plus 36 plus 54 over 12. I have 15.5 meter per second. Okay, so this will be your homework for today. Okay, you may pause and screenshot.